Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so for the very first time John Dramani Mahama akasa afa Kennedy Japan ho na we die wakasa ama no wakasa ama Kennedy Japan na asemo a Mahama eka ene se MPP for ye ka treatment a wo mo ede ma Kennedy Japan a ne kreni enso ni ene asemo a Mahama eka no was the MPP is not treating Kennedy Japan well. We be say na Mahama asem we fa ho ben edien na wo ko fa asem aba be ka say MPP phone treat Kennedy Japan aden den na esi Mahama wo kan asem we na asem Mahama ekene wo say wo hwe edwumu a Kennedy Japan obi be say dirty work a wo yama MPP na wo yesei wo ko ha wo ba ha wo yesei wo ko ha wo ba ha na nka wo say the least thing and nka sabin prediasa MPP betumi aye abo Kennedy Japan pan say sabin prediasa nka ne constituency ni krom nka at least MPP ntumi nyehwe wo ho kra nka wo mompe eye akwan wo mompe contractors do mu ko si Kennedy Japan krom ho na trese wo monye akwan no na ni krom Kennedy Japan krom akwan o se enye bako sei o se tra kro no so asinfo su sa nkro no so ekwan e da ho enye bako sei na ene ya se nipa we be ye nyama we nya we all know how influential Kennedy Japan is with the MPP o be ye nyama we nya yesi na at least ni krom kra sebe se yesi ekwan e wo Ghana ha se kra na Kennedy Japan krom kra enka ho bi na asemo Mahama kan se de eye ne yakra ne se President Akufo-Addo uko ni krom a ekwan bi wo ho na sa kwan no enye ekwan ya nkrofo taifa so traffic eni ho won se ekwan bi wo ho de a eye main road intene de traffic wo ho ekwan bi so enye main road wo se uko President Akufo-Addo krom a ekwan bi wo ho enye main road nkrofo taifa so na senia ya ye kwan no first class wo se sa kwan no ya ye the first class who do ho say yes ekwan ni na so Kennedy Japan a wo ye dirty work yi ni ano ye jan no ena de krom kwan ni na atete apansan John Dramani Mahama no ni Wozo TV for ena ekasa ende ya me ne mo kasa yi ena wo kan nsem we wo de etudwa wo se aban en consider we die wono Mahama no wo sre aban wo mo consider Kennedy Japan pa na at least ni krom kwan ne de wo mo ye na enye because udu krom ho ni ya catch say we ye Kennedy Japan kro a ana we ye kro a Kennedy Japan free mu a obo se na afi nkrofo tikra ye omo ya say Kennedy Japan we sure say Kennedy Japan no say ani o say da bi minjindi o say ani Kennedy Japan kro I say at least the least MPP can do for Kennedy Japan is to do the major roads in Asin constituency na nye nsema wodi tu dwane me pese me video na nkasa ne nsem na muhu ankwankwa yes Melodies na make ansem ashe former president ano I say Kennedy Japan has not been treated properly. If you look at the role he plays in the MPP, I would have thought that his roads will be one of the roads they will have prioritized. Asemwa Mahama eka no say aprobo Mahama woko to a woko nem say wodi ko si Kennedy Japan ni krom kwan so eno ho asem na wodi aba abonten eka nsem we ni na say nanka wono de onimsa nka MPP senya Kennedy Japan ye adwuma mu rosa wo play no nanka the first thing ne say kwan ba yenko ye Kennedy Japan krom kwan ne ma no na asem a wakaka ho ne say now wabeka President Akufo-Addo ne de no President Akufo-Addo krom de no now it's very interesting we see when we awarded the Cocoa Road somewhere around Ekiapim, one of the roads was the president's hometown from Apeja through Chebi to Bomso Junction. It was a road that we awarded, and then we awarded the Chi Prasu Road and several others in the cocoa growing areas. Asema Mahama can say, Embra wono wo wa aban mu no Cocoa Roads wo mo award contract ni man contractors na kwan no wo hwa president Akufo-Addo krom trese ye ma contract ana contractors akọ ye kwan no na asem Mahama kani wo say surprisingly the NPP asked the contractor to stop but made the contractor continue the Apeja Chebi Bomso Junction Road. Now, on the contractors be na amasa complain. In fact, ahemfo bebre na ma complain say Mahama time womo yomo adwen say Cocoa Roads no womo ebeye baby e ma contract no. Na say luckily for the NPP, fortunately for the NPP and unfortunately for the NDC no. NPP be winni enti NPP be winni ye no. E na NPP ka say sa contract na ya mani na no womo susu say dabi kululu bi ewom because obviously say aban bi ewoso na ye ma contract ya na politicians na kasa nim say dabi we dey ye NDC for contractors na ye dey ejuma na momo nti aban foforo ba wo be ma wo mo gya bibia nti NPP for ka say wo mo eye auditing ewo contract ne so na nyama up till ende some of the roads are ma contract say contractors inko gina so nye no up till ende ye nye na John Dramani Mahama say embra president Akufo-Addo bet na so awaka say roads no maye nye yo was stopping contractors from working on all the roads no one no president Akufo-Addo the chrome die and no pen waka say nye nti all the other places die ni na wa maya ntuaso but the chrome die ne die wo ma kwan say eno die wo mo enye a wo say yende wo ko president ni chrome a ese weni ene die efe ayefe na wo ko president ni chrome ho na NDC for ebenya 1 vote kra na eno eso mo danya nkopon ase because ne kreni president Akufo-Addo wa ma ni chrome ayefe. Was it surprisingly the NPP asked the contractor to stop but made the contractor continue the Apeja Chebi Bonsu Junction Road. That road, even though it has less traffic, is finished and it is a first class road. President Akufo-Addo ni krum kwano a first class. The cost of that road could have been used to fix Trifo Prasu Road, as influential as Kennedy Japan is. I was hoping his road would have been given priority. As someone, John Mahama, as someone Mahama eka efa Kennedy Japan hono no. Intino unim say Mahama de okan sem we ya no so de ne de aka ho. O se nti ye to abama na wo ba obe make sure say akwan ni na no ya ye ni ye pepepe nti Kennedy Japan ni krum de ne kran obe make sure say ye be ye asemwa Mahama eka no no. Na Mahama kan sem we wie ye no Ghana for bebre na etre wo mo adwen. Quickly, let's read the comments from some of the Ghanaians and then let's see what people are saying. You heard the Ghana for eka on this particular matter. I see, look at who is talking. God have mercy on you. Hey, Ghana for forget you. Obi Katre Mahama say, hey, oh, Bekasa Batakwan. Masa, God have mercy on you. And you see, it's quite interesting because earlier this, it was last month or last 2 months. One say, I can tell you for a fact, say, Oko President Akufo-Addo Kromwa. Ubenya majority of people saying say they are voting for President Akufo-Addo. But unfortunately, Oko Mahama Kromwa. Yes, you get people saying say they will vote for Mahama, but a lot more people also tell you say they are not voting for Mahama, they are voting for Akufo-Addo because in fact Akufo-Addo kraba ye no na ban aye ade aye enyuma ewo Mahama kra ni kro esen ono Mahama na ade awo ye and video no wo ho enye se me na me kan share nkrofo no video no wo you can go to City FM on my YouTube obehu video no they went there to Mahama ni krom eko bisa nkrofo 50-50 City FM for interview nkrofo be ye 10 5 eka se mbe vote ama Mahama biom 5 inso ka said masa Mahama beti na so we mfi ni kromfo no nti omo vote ma no Akufo-Addo kra ba no numu na wa ba be fi omo nti no de wo ho no but I'm telling you for sure say we call President Akufo-Addo krom yeah ubenya 9.999 ah o metro se masa they are voting for President Akufo-Addo back. And I don't understand. You see, that's one thing I don't understand. Politicians should know, say, ukrom there. So how do we have President Kufuor and the chrome? Why me? I don't have problem with it too. And let me tell you the truth, I don't have problem with it too. Now me mama be president sabi me chrome kwan and say that be and the crab go minimum ase. Ntofo kra ba kro no so make say na president pa kro ni. It is a me mama ba than the president was say me kro no etumpon me she me chrome ni munyam because me I believe in that. Uye here no we make sure say what she fie ni munyam. And son ebe kwa abontin. That's what I believe. That is what I strongly believe. And no hunting I told the bia NDC ba ben mu na omo okwa voter regional wo mo akwan ni na say wo mu fi because omo ni say voter region for there say ni say omo beto amayenda na 2016 voter region for issue omo. I'm going to try my comment box to moment I say